Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews.
Hi guys, we're gonna check out the super large F22 after a year. Get started. Having 6G mode. All right, without further ado, here we go. Hope everyone's doing well. Thanks for watching. And it's in the air. Very cool. I really enjoy this plane. It's great for beginners. Look at that thing. Awesome. I did grab a weak battery. Look at me go. I always grab weak batteries, it seems like. I need to bring my tester with me. I always forget something, you know. Being human's hard. Some days. Oh, this thing's so cool. Very cool. Definitely recommend these airplanes. Get you some high milliamp 3.7 volt batteries and you'll have so much fun with these. I'm still using the factory battery from a year ago, and look at that, it's still going. My first airplane only, it would take like, it would fly for a minute and then you had to glide it down. So you still had like rudder control. That's all it had on it, was a rudder and a motor. So this is way better. You get like 10-15 minute flights out of these if you're just putting. So neat. Let's try to do a slow roll. How cool is that, guys? Oh my goodness, that's impressive. Stabilization is amazing. I don't know if it'll fall out the sky or what it's going to do here. So far it hasn't. Let's see if I can catch it here. Caught you. There it is, super large F22. Okay guys, continuing the F22. I put a different battery in there after a year. This thing's so much fun to fly. Well, that camera went dead. Let's see if I can't get out here and get some close-ups of this thing for you guys. So far I've done a pretty terrible job with these airplanes getting good close-ups. I apologize. Hope to get better someday. Maybe get a camera crew. It'd be neat. But right now it's just me, so please bear with me. Hopefully things will get better. Always like to expect the worst, but hope for the best. Hope for the best, expect the worst, I think is how they say it. Keeps you from getting disappointed. Yeah, this thing is very capable. I do have some breeze here today, so it helps keep it floating, but even without wind, this thing can just about hover. Very good product. These things fly really good in 3D mode too. I'll do some videos later on with that. Just trying to get it out there that these are for beginners, but they are fun for an expert pilot as well. Not saying I'm an expert pilot, I'm always learning. I always crash. I have to embrace the crash. Sometimes you just don't quite pay attention all the time and run into stuff. But, you know, you do get better. But sometimes you just have to fix stuff. It's a fun hobby. Gives you something to do. You can be, when you're not flying, you can be repairing stuff that you tore up. But just don't ever be ashamed of crashing, is what I'm trying to say, I guess. It happens to the best of them. And if they don't tell you it's so, they're probably fibbers. They're little fibbers. That's all right, we won't hold against them. Very good plane, guys. I really like this. This is one of my favorites out of these small planes. This is one of my favorite ones. This one and the J20. The propped planes. I like the EDS, but they're just a bit weak. You can't pull off performance like this one. Look at that. You just drop it out of the sky and just take right off. After a throttle drop. Just like that. Look at that. I don't think I could have recovered with an EDF. Maybe, I don't know. I'll have to keep practicing. I did put them EDFs in 3D mode just to check them out because the steering's a little weak in gyro mode, and it's much better. So we'll do some videos on that too later on. Wow, guys, this is after a year. This F-22 still flies amazing. Same motors, same everything. Factory and remote. In beginner mode, you can still do the rolls and stunts. Or I mean the stunts, like the rolls and the loops. You can see that wind really messing with it. The gyro's counteracting. Really good stabilization in this thing. Wow, can you believe that flight time on a good battery? That's pretty amazing. I've been getting on it too. I can't remember if I told the story on this video or not, or it was the other video. I shoot so many videos when I go out to shoot video. I usually don't have very much time to get out here and do the hobby. It's always work, 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 and pay bills. But when I do, I enjoy it. I try to like do a crash course and get as many as I can at once. So I tend to forget some things. Apologies. But anyway, my first plane would only fly for a minute, and then you'd have to glide it down. So these are way better than that. You're getting at least, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Now we're getting a battery warning. I can still fly it for a couple minutes after you get that. Look at that, folks, just hovering around like a hovered craft, or a drone almost. Impressive. Alright, let's see if we can't catch this thing. As floaty as it is, it shouldn't be that big of a deal, huh? How about that? Nice and easy. There you have it, the super large F22. Definitely recommend this one. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.